In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check PayPal balance on desktop. If you want to quickly see how much money is available in your PayPal account using a computer, this process is very simple and only takes a moment. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly where to go and what to expect once you're signed in. To get started, open your preferred web browser on your desktop or laptop computer and go to paypal.com. Make sure you are visiting the official PayPal website so you can safely access your account. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner of the page where you'll see the Login button. Click on that to continue. After that, sign into your PayPal account using your account credentials. As always, be sure you're entering your information on the official website and on a secure device, especially if you're checking financial details. Once you've successfully logged in, the next place you want to go is your Wallet section. The Wallet area is where PayPal organizes your payment information in one place. When you open it, you'll be able to see your current PayPal balance. This is the main section you're looking for if you want to check how much money is in your account. Depending on your account setup and region, the balance may appear very clearly near the top or within the main account overview inside the Wallet area. You'll also see the cards and bank accounts that are connected to your PayPal account. This can be helpful if you want to confirm not only your balance, but also which payment methods are linked and available for transfers or purchases. So the Wallet section gives you a quick snapshot of both your available balance and your connected financial accounts. If you don't immediately notice the balance, just take a second to look around the Wallet page carefully, since layouts can sometimes vary slightly depending on updates to the website. But in general, this is where PayPal displays your balance information on desktop, and that's it. Once you're in the Wallet section, you can view your balance along with your linked cards and bank accounts. That's all for this video.